Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So this is my last shopping for the family for the year 2022. So we thank God for bringing us to the end of this year. So the last time I did grocery shopping in a particular store, I don't want to mention the name. Please, if you haven't watched it, go back to my previous videos and check it out so you can know the particular store I'm talking about. So this time around, I tried to compare prices by going to another store, just to know how cheap things are and where to go next. And so I went to Aldi this time around with the same list I took to the other store, same list, same items, but a different price. And guess what? Things are way cheaper. I got double of the things I bought from the other store in Aldi this time around. I bought double and even more. I exceeded the list. So these are the things. Imagine buying this much. See how filled up this surface is with just £100 worth of groceries. So if you're looking to buy cheap items, cheap groceries, please, I'll recommend Aldi. Okay, if you're coming into the UK newly, if you're wondering where to get your groceries, I would strongly recommend you go to Aldi. They have fantastic prices. So these are the things we bought. I bought a foil plate for display of my food. We bought detergents. This is cereal for the kids. Vegetable oil. This time around, we're able to buy two with the same amount. In fact, we even exceeded the list, like I said earlier. The last time it was just one we were able to buy with £100, but this time around we bought two. So the prices in Aldi are like half of the one in the other store. So this is barbecue sauce. This is biscuits, shortbread for the family. This is grapes. This is chocolate. This is milk. We have Coke. We bought two large Cokes, 1.75 liters. And this is sugar. We're able to buy chocolate hot drink as well today. This is collagen powder, cheese, broccoli, onions, the red one and the white one. In fact, there's just a lot. And this is chips. I mean, these things will last us more than a week. This is toilet paper. This is yogurt for my baby girl. This is bell pepper, and this is chicken. I bought chicken breast and also whole chicken. Cookies, eggs, what else? Chocolate spread, mayonnaise, pasta, carrots, pepper, tomatoes, soap, liquid soap for bathing. And this is sweet corn. I bought tortilla wraps, for shawarma and stuff. And this is parsley again, mint, another yogurt. Guys, there's just a lot. It's £100, so just 100. In fact, it's not even up to £100, like something pounds. I'll show you guys the receipt. It's not even up to £100. So this is burger buns, bread with chocolate chips. This is another type of bread for hot dog. This is Cajun spice for those of you that like your nachos, and that's why I bought these tortilla wraps. I love nachos a lot, so I'll be preparing that with that wraps. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're looking to buy things, this is red wine for cooking as well. So if you're wondering where to buy affordable items, groceries, please, I recommend Aldi. Go to Aldi. Their prices are very, very friendly. So please, me, I won't make that mistake of going to the other place again. I'm sorry. But I'm not trying to spoil their market, but our pocket matters, especially in 2023. You understand, we have to apply this wisdom. So please, if you're looking to buy cheap items, go to Aldi. They have wonderful prices. If you want to dash your money out, then you can go to the other one. Okay, so this is going to be my last video for the year 2022. Guys, we are very grateful to God to have brought us this far. I mean, I'm just 4 months old on this YouTube thing, and there's almost 400 of you guys. I cannot even begin to imagine the rapid growth, and all I can say is thank you so much. I can't wait to start giving you guys back. I can't wait for the giveaways to start. Don't worry, in 2023, guys, I got you. So thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for making my 2022 a wonderful one. Thank you for adding color to my 2022. And we go again next year, guys. This time around, we go even harder. We go stronger. We go wiser, we go healthier, we go everything positive, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for always stopping by. So guys, thank you. In 2023, I promise you guys more entertaining content, more educative content, more informative content on this channel. Please stick around. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone on this channel. Okay, it's going to be more interesting next year. It's going to be more informative. Thank you for stopping by. So guys, obviously this is going to be my last video for the year 2022, and I just want to say thank you so much and God bless you. I wish you the best year to come. May 2023 come with all the blessings you're asking God for. May it come with answers to your prayers. I pray that 2023 is going to be the best year for everyone yet. May it keep getting better from here. And for those of you looking to come into the UK in the year 2023, I wish you all the best on your school journey with your stay here in the UK. And for everybody that has subscribed to this channel, you guys are the best. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for spreading the word. Thank you for always stopping by whenever YouTube notifies you that I've uploaded a new video. Guys, I don't take it for granted. I mean, it means everything to me. Like, look at the growth, guys. I'm just 4 months old on this channel, and guys, it's amazing. Like, I don't take it for granted. I just want to say thank you, and I wish you all the best in 2023, and have a happy new year. And have a happy new year until I see you again next year. Take care. Bye. Love you guys.